Following the reversal of Roe v. Wade, several states are dealing with new legal battles, including right here in Texas. Major retailers are also facing a new challenge: short supplies of emergency contraceptives. Suzanne Bruner is with us this morning. Suzanne, another case of supply and demand issues putting limits on items at checkout.
Yeah, Kara, so pharmacies like CVS, Walmart, and Rite Aid are putting a cap on the number of Plan B pills customers can buy. As a matter of fact, there's been a huge demand for these emergency contraceptives since the Supreme Court's ruling. And as of yesterday, these pills have been either in short demand or short supply, that at least, and or out of stock since yesterday. Now, what we can expect happening today over in Harris County, a judge will hear arguments after abortion providers filed a lawsuit yesterday to implement a temporary restraining order to block the old ban from being enforced. Now, that ban made it illegal to perform abortions and help anyone who performs one in Texas. Abortion clinics across the state halted all procedures, and abortion funds stopped operating after a ruling on Friday. Now, meanwhile, the White House is downplaying calls to build abortion clinics on federal land. Vice President Kamala Harris told CNN the administration is not discussing that idea.
I think that what is most important right now is that we ensure that the restrictions that the states are trying to put up that would prohibit a woman from exercising what we still maintain is her right, that we do everything we can to empower women to not only seek but to receive the care where it is available.
Right now, more than a dozen states have so-called trigger laws in place to immediately ban or limit abortion when Roe v. Wade was overturned. More than a dozen others are likely to pass something similar in the coming days. Texas passed a trigger law last year that will go into effect 30 days after the court issues a judgment repealing Roe. Now, State Attorney General Ken Paxton said that this judgment could come within the next 30 days. He said that his office will release a date as soon as possible. Kara.
Okay, Suzanne, so abortion providers in Texas are fighting this, and it sounds like one of our neighbor states is fighting it too.
Yeah, Kara, this might be an option for Texas women to go out of state. So just recently, a judge in Louisiana blocked the state from enforcing its trigger laws that kicked in after the Supreme Court's ruling, which means that the state can actually continue this procedure, at least for right now. Kara.
All right, thank you, Suzanne.